Hey Kelly, Corey here. Thanks for passing this on for me. My name's Corey. I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start getting a lot more quality traffic to your website. Not running any ads either. This is going to be all organic, by the way. So looking at your website, the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So really browsing over your website, bringing your word count up, being really authoric, and being about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words. Plus, having that much more words is able to be found for those keywords. Those keywords are how people and your customers are actually searching for you. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all content. Google sees all this. You got Orlando Roofing Company, CFL Roofing. I would just keep your name just up in your logo there and just do buyer's intent keywords back here. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in roofing companies Orlando, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google ads here, these ads at the top. So these old school ads, a lot of people have been going away with them because they've been very spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another paid form of advertisement. I noticed that you are running some ads inside of here. But anyway, underneath this ad section, I noticed there's this map section, and to get the top rankings in this map area is really going to come down to what's called a citation. What a citation is just it's an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what you'd want to do is come in and find those top competitors and get those same citations. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath the map section, we have this is the first page of Google, and really to get all that organic traffic really comes down to making sure you have all that content on your pages. Also, that authoric content also being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I come in here and take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. It looks like you started your site back in 2018. This is really where you did a lot of your backlinking. But anyway, you got 17 referring domains, which is pushing back 41 backlinks. Historically, you've had almost 2,000 there. Backlinks come and go. You got 107 keywords you're being found for, and about 12 clicks to your site. This is all organic clicks, by the way. Then the PPC, that stands for pay-per-click. So it does look like you're running several ads throughout here. But anyway, coming in and seeing where, I don't know if you're doing TV, radio commercials. I know those get pretty pricey as well. Kind of showing you the ROI on some of this is kind of crazy, but showing you where your clicks are coming from. They got Windermere Roofing, there's 20 clicks. You got the first position there, 9 clicks. Kissimmee Roofing Contractors, there's another 10 clicks a month. 11th position, you're missing the traffic. Orlando Roofing Company, there's another 40 clicks. 16 position, so you're missing the traffic once again. Roofing Companies, Kissimmee FL, there's another 50 clicks. 18th position, missing the traffic once again. Emergency Roof Repair Orlando, 50 clicks a month. Your 20th position, so you're missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Advantage Roofing, and I'm going to do a quick overview real quick. So they got 75 referring domains, pushing back just over 2,000 backlinks, 344 keywords, with over 1,000 clicks to their site every month. The PPC is at 0, so it doesn't look like they're running any ads at all. But coming in and seeing where these clicks are coming from. So they got their name here at the top, Roofing Orlando FL. There's 300 clicks a month. First position, they got 111 clicks coming from that one keyword. Roofing Company Orlando FL, another 200 clicks. 63 clicks out of the 200. So they got all these keywords, and then also they're pumping enough power so they're actually landing on that first page of Google and getting a decent traffic or rate of return coming from these keywords as well. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you get there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be cool too. Thanks, bye.